Are you sure your muscles aren't wasting away right now, silently setting you up for a fall or fracture that could change everything? Most people over 50 are making a crucial mistake that keeps their muscles shrinking each year, and hardly anyone knows what it is. Ignoring this could mean struggling to stand, losing independence, or missing out on years of activity you love. Don't skip this video, because missing these facts could mean missing your best chance to protect your muscles without expensive treatments or grueling workouts. Let me ask you something. Have you found it harder lately to open jar lids, climb stairs without grabbing the railing, or carry in groceries on your own? Maybe you've noticed your arms or legs looking thinner, even though your weight hasn't changed. If so, you're not alone, and it's not just normal aging. Behind these changes may be a hidden problem that quietly robs millions of older adults of their strength and freedom. Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Research suggests that over half of seniors are living with this condition, and most don't even know it's happening, until one day a simple misstep leads to a fall, a broken bone, or a long recovery in a hospital bed. The real culprit for muscle loss after 60 may not be aging alone. It may come down to a silent nutritional deficiency that hardly any doctor mentions at routine checkups. What's even more concerning, there's a simple, practical way to support muscle health, starting with the food choices you make in your kitchen every day, and it often gets completely overlooked. I know this topic hits close to home for many people, including some of my patients, friends, and even family members. We all want to stay active, independent, and able to enjoy the simple things, playing with grandchildren, traveling, gardening, or just getting up from a chair with confidence. Losing muscle can gradually turn those joys into challenges. But the good news is, just as science now understands why muscle loss happens, it also offers surprising, research-backed strategies to help us rebuild strength right down to choosing the right nuts at the right time. Stick with me as we walk through the 5 most powerful nuts for supporting muscle health after 60, in order from least to most potent. You might be surprised to learn that the best one could already be sitting in your pantry. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's dive in with the first nut on our list, Brazil nuts. If you've ever seen these large, oval nuts at the grocery store, you may not realize how important they can be for people over 60. Brazil nuts are actually the richest natural source of selenium, a mineral that plays a direct role in muscle maintenance. Studies, including one from the University of Sao Paulo, have observed that seniors with adequate selenium levels have much more muscle mass compared to those with a deficiency. What's so special about selenium? It helps your body turn on and speed up muscle protein building. When your selenium runs low, your body literally has trouble keeping up with muscle repairs, causing tissues to break down faster than they're rebuilt. This is something most people and even many doctors don't talk about. I'll never forget a patient named Robert, a retired carpenter in his late 60s. He came to me because his grip was getting weaker, and he was embarrassed that he couldn't open his beloved toolboxes or help around the house like before. Tests showed his selenium was sharply low, even though his diet seemed healthy, with just 2 Brazil nuts each morning, along with breakfast, and some tweaks to how and when he ate them. His grip strength improved significantly in 3 months. He proudly told me he started tackling home projects again. Here is what research suggests: just 2 Brazil nuts daily. No more can cover your body's needs for selenium. It's best to eat them with your breakfast, perhaps alongside eggs or a cup of yogurt or oatmeal. Pairing with vitamin E-rich foods, like spinach, can further boost their effectiveness for muscle repair. But be careful. More is not better. Brazil nuts are potent, and eating too many may cause unwanted side effects like brittle nails or a metallic taste. Also, if you take iron supplements, keep them separate from your Brazil nuts by a couple of hours to help your body absorb selenium fully. The next nut high on the list for muscle health is pistachios. Unlike many other nuts, pistachios naturally contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. This is especially important as our bodies get less efficient at processing protein from our food with age. Of all these amino acids, pistachios have a good amount of leucine, the very building block your muscles need to trigger growth and maintenance. A study from the University of Illinois found that adding about an ounce, or 49 pistachios, each day boosted muscle protein synthesis by nearly 30% in adults over 65. What's the secret? Leucine flips a molecular switch that tells your body, build up, don't break down. And pistachios aren't just protein. They carry compounds like arginine that help blood flow, bringing more nourishment to muscle tissues. One real-world example comes from Patricia, a former teacher in her 70s. She'd fallen twice and was feeling scared about her future. Her meals were low in protein until she started including pistachios as a daily snack. Coupled with just light resistance exercises, she quickly noticed more energy, stronger legs, and most importantly, confidence on stairs she had started avoiding. The key is timing and portion. Eat about 25 pistachios after your morning movement, maybe a walk or gentle stretching, and the rest in the afternoon. This two-part split helps your muscles get a steady supply when they're most ready to repair. You can pair pistachios with vitamin C-rich snacks like orange slices, which research suggests can help your body better use protein for muscle. Avoid eating pistachios with coffee or tea. Since their compounds can bind with the proteins and hamper absorption, watch out for salted versions if you have high blood pressure. And if you've never had pistachios before, try a few first to rule out any allergies. Walnuts are next, and they bring something unique. They're the only nut high in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically a type called alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s are best known for supporting the heart and brain, but in recent years, studies have uncovered how essential they are for taming inflammation in muscle tissue. When chronic inflammation goes unchecked, it fuels a phenomenon known as inflammaging, which gradually eats away at muscle and leaves us feeling tired, weak, and vulnerable to injury. In one study at Stanford, older adults eating a handful of walnuts daily saw significant drops in a blood marker called C-reactive protein, a well-known warning flag for both inflammation and muscle decline. The researchers also found improvements in insulin sensitivity, which matters because better insulin action means your muscles can soak up glucose and amino acids for growth and strength. James, a former marathon runner in his late 60s, was losing muscle fast and feeling wiped out from even short walks. He started a daily walnut routine, marrying them with berries, as I recommend, and in a few short months, his inflammation plummeted, and he regained the strength to enjoy active walks again. For best results, eat about 14 walnut halves each day, half with breakfast, half with your evening meal. Pairing them with vibrant berries like blueberries or blackberries multiplies the anti-inflammatory rewards. Soaking walnuts overnight in a cup of water can help remove natural enzyme blockers, making the healthy fats and nutrients more available to your body. Always store walnuts cold to protect their delicate omega-3s, and avoid any that taste bitter or smell odd, which means their oils have spoiled. Moving up the list, almonds take the number 2 spot thanks to their high magnesium content. Magnesium quietly underpins muscle function by helping muscles contract and relax smoothly. Yet most adults, especially those over 60, don't get enough from their food alone. Signs can be subtle at first: restless legs at night, cramps, or lingering muscle tiredness. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition tracked sedentary older adults who added almonds to their routines. Over 6 months, these participants gained more than 2 pounds of muscle without making drastic changes. The magnesium in almonds supports vitamin D activation, which research links to muscle strength, while the vitamin E protects muscle fibers from breakdown. One patient, Margaret, was constantly waking up with leg cramps and felt embarrassed by her declining strength, especially carrying groceries. With just under 2 dozen almonds a day, split between morning and 2 hours before bed, she saw her cramps disappear and regained confidence carrying her shopping up the stairs. If you're thinking about adding almonds to your diet, Stick with raw or dry roasted options, and avoid sugar-coated or flavored varieties which can blunt the benefits. Try 12 in the morning and 11 before bedtime, supporting the body's overnight muscle repair cycle. If digestion is an issue, you can start with fewer nuts or use blanched almonds, which are somewhat easier on the stomach. If you have kidney issues, be sure to talk to your doctor before making big changes to your magnesium intake. Now, for number 1 on the list, the unsung hero of muscle maintenance, macadamia nuts. These creamy nuts stand out because they're packed with more monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, than any other nut. These special fats can actually make muscle cell membranes more responsive to signals for growth and more resistant to wear and tear. An Australian study on people over 65 highlighted just how powerful macadamias can be. In only 16 weeks, people adding macadamia nuts to their daily regimen gained nearly 4 pounds of lean muscle, all without additional exercise changes. The unique fats in macadamias appear to influence which genes in your body get switched on or off, cranking up muscle building and tamping down proteins that trigger muscle loss. Take George, a retired engineer who'd grown so weak he needed help just standing up from his favorite chair. By eating a small handful of macadamias daily, paired with a carefully balanced diet, George steadily regained nearly all the muscle he had lost over the previous 2 years. Soon, he was out golfing again, laughing that he'd reclaimed both his game and his independence. For the greatest benefit, stick with 10 to 12 macadamia nuts a day, split between breakfast and lunch, and avoid eating them late in the evening, because these nuts are calorie-dense. Eating the recommended amount during daylight hours fuels your muscles without throwing off your metabolism overnight. I also recommend eating macadamias alongside a small portion of fruit like half an apple or a few grapes to gently boost insulin and help your muscles soak up those healthy fats. Whether you prefer your macadamias dry roasted or raw, always buy the plain type without sugary coatings. Too much can upset your stomach or slow down the very muscle-building process you're trying to encourage. So avoid eating more than 15 a day. If you're taking blood thinners, always consult your healthcare provider before making these kinds of dietary changes. Now that we've walked through the 5 most potent muscle-supporting nuts, let's pull all this together into a simple daily routine that you can use at home. Start your morning with 2 Brazil nuts and a protein-rich breakfast, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese. About 30 minutes later, enjoy a dozen almonds along with a glass of milk, or 10 to 15 minutes of gentle sunlight exposure to help activate vitamin D. By mid-morning, have your first serving of macadamia nuts paired with half an apple or some grapes to give your body sustained energy and healthy fats. For lunch, enjoy 25 pistachios as a post-meal snack. The burst of protein and amino acids helps support muscles while your energy is high. By mid-afternoon, reach for your second serving of macadamias, again with a little fruit to stave off the afternoon slump and further nourish your muscle tissues. Come dinner time, include 7 walnut halves in your salad or with dark leafy greens and a handful of berries. This energizing mix supports the body's anti-inflammatory processes overnight. Finish your nut intake with the rest of your pistachios about an hour after dinner. Before bed around 2 hours ahead, eat your remaining 11 almonds to help muscle tissues repair while you sleep. If you're allergic to any of these nuts, or you just don't care for the taste, seeds can be a good alternative. Pumpkin seeds offer selenium similar to Brazil nuts. Sunflower seeds provide vitamin E like almonds. And chia seeds are packed with omega-3s, much like walnuts. Just remember, it typically takes a higher volume of seeds to match the nutrients from nuts. So be mindful of portions. Many people are concerned about the cost of nuts, especially the high-quality, fresh options that work best. You can save money by buying in bulk, storing portions in airtight containers in the freezer, and planning your servings weekly. As I see it, the investment pays off not only in improved strength and independence, but in possibly avoiding the medical bills and risks that come from falls and muscle loss. Some people have asked about medication interactions. If you take thyroid medication, leave a 4-hour gap after eating Brazil nuts. For those on blood thinners, monitor how your body responds when adding omega-3 rich and vitamin E rich nuts like walnuts and almonds. If you're taking medications for blood sugar or diabetes, you might even need adjustments, as nuts can gently nudge your glucose control in a positive direction. Always keep your doctor informed with any major dietary change. Finally, it's important to manage expectations and give this routine time to work. Most older adults start feeling more energetic and steady after a few weeks. But building up muscle takes time. 8 to 12 weeks is common for visible results. The key is consistency, giving your body steady, daily nutrition instead of quick fixes or hit-or-miss efforts. If you're still on the fence about whether to make changes, remember, muscle loss is not a sentence. It's a process you can influence, starting today. With small daily steps, adding these 5 nuts in the right amounts and at the right times can be one of the most practical and effective upgrades to your health. Have you tried adding any of these nuts to your daily meals or snacks? What differences have you noticed in your strength, balance, energy, or confidence? I'd love to hear your stories, experiences, and even challenges in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe and check out my other guides on healthy living and aging strong. Your health is worth every effort. Let's keep moving forward together.